This first question asks how you can tell the difference between graphs of y equals sine x and y equals cosine x. And I've included images of each of those graphs because it just really helps make it clear some of the ways they're different. So here's y equals sine x, and here's y equals cosine x. And I think right off the bat, some of the things that are very clear is where those starting value or y-intercepts are. Y equals sine x starts at 0. Right? It has a period of 2 pi, it does one full cycle. And y equals cosine x starts up here at 1. If you think about how we really saw how those values showed up in our unit circle, it makes sense why those starting values are where they are. So what we found when we embedded those triangles in the unit circle, we found that y equals sine x was really the height of that triangle at any angle as we moved around the unit circle. And we found that cosine x was the base of that triangle as we moved around the unit circle. And so if you think at an angle of 0 degrees, or just when we're really starting to form our triangles as we're moving around the unit circle, if the hypotenuse is down here, really almost at 0, our triangle is going to have a height of 0. So it makes sense that y equals sine x starts at 0. If we go ahead and look at the base of our triangle, or the cosine of x, when we're just starting with our triangle at 0 degrees, we can see that the base of that triangle is going to extend and be 1 unit long. And so this is the difference in what the graphs look like and their y-intercepts. So in summary, the graph of y equals cosine x has a y-intercept of 1 because cosine of 0 is 1 and the base of the triangle at 0 degrees and the unit circle is 1 unit long. Our graph of y equals sine x has a y-intercept of 0 because sine of 0 equals 0 and the height of the triangle at 0 degrees in the unit circle is 0.